We're going to review the application guidelines for repairing damage to our TPO membranes. The first step that we have to take is to ensure that we repair the damage with the correct material. The material that we want to use is reinforced TPO to repair damage and not detail membrane. The first thing that we have to do is we have to cut a patch to size. What we do is we cut our patch to ensure that it's large enough beyond the damage to allow for our 1.5 inch minimum weld. Good roofing practice when we're hand welding is to have our patch extend beyond the damage 3 inches in all directions. The first step that we're going to take is we're going to clean the membrane with TPO membrane cleaner, as well as the backside of the patch that's to be welded. The first step that we're going to take is we're going to put a tack weld in to our repair, keeping our repair square to the corresponding seam so that it leaves an aesthetically looking repair. The next thing that we're going to do is we are going to weld the center of our patch, not welding within our 1.5 inch finished weld. The final steps that we'll take to our repair are to probe all welds and to apply JM TPO LVOC edge sealant to the entire perimeter of the repair where we cut reinforced membrane.